Welcome to the test kitchen. My name's Sherry, and summer's almost here, so we're making popsicles. Did you know that the first popsicle was invented by a kid in the early 1900s? And it was an accident. He left a soda drink out overnight, and it froze, and the rest is history. Well, today we are going to be making strawberry yogurt pops. And I'm going to be following along with a recipe just to make sure things go smoothly. And I will need 2 cups of sliced strawberries. So I have pre-sliced these, and you can be pretty generous with your 2 cups. And they are going to go directly into a blender, and we're going to blend these up. That was pretty quick. And into this blender, we are going to add some Greek yogurt. Now you want to make sure that the strawberry is kind of the consistency right now of a puree. The yogurt I'm using is a Greek yogurt, and it's a strawberry flavor, but you could use a vanilla flavor. And I'm using one that has a higher fat content because it'll taste better and it'll be more of a creamy consistency. So 2 cups into the blender. All right. We're going to blend this up. And this time we're going to blend it to the consistency of a smoothie, if you're somebody who likes to drink smoothies. And I'm going to give it a little stir here just to make sure all the ingredients are blending together. Maybe one more pulse or 2 here. Yay, it's starting to get a nice pretty pink color here. So into this, we are going to add some sweetener, and we're using honey today. And we're using 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey. I'll try to scrape this up. There we go. All right. And I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla because vanilla just makes everything taste good. It brings out the flavor in a lot of ingredients when you're baking, but also when you're using a sweetener. Okay, lid goes on once again. And let's blend it up one more time. Okay, I think that's pretty good. So we are going to fill our molds with the sort of smoothie drink here. Let me make sure I don't have an accident with this blender here. There we go. And if you don't have a popsicle mold, you could use paper cups with a popsicle stick. You could even use an ice tray. But these are pretty easy to find at the store. So, gotta take the lid off. Here we go. Okay. And I'm going to slide in the popsicle sticks. I might have overfilled one of them. There we go. Okay, these are going to go into the freezer overnight, and we'll check them out tomorrow.
The next day.
So, these have been chilling overnight, and I ran them under some warm water so we could demold them pretty nicely. And we have a frozen yogurt strawberry popsicle.